Hello, I am Kakade Ramesh Machindra from Arsu Technical Campus, MBA Department. So, subject name is Service Marketing and chapter second, Traditional Marketing Mix Elements in Services. So, today I will discuss point service pricing. What is meant by service pricing? To manage review in ways that support the firm profitability. Objective is the key goal of effective pricing strategy. The firm has to have a good understanding of its costs, the value created for customer and competitor are pricing. Means demand facility widely. Capacity tend to be the relatively fixed in the only function that bring revenue of the organization in marketing. Means since all other management function incur cost, pricing is the by which sales are transferred into revenue as compared to manufacturing. Pricing is more complex in service. Since there is no ownership of services, it is more difficult for managers to determine the financial cost of creating a process of a performance for a customer than to identify the cost associated with creating and distribute a physical goods. That is, pricing of goods is determined by the market demand in most cases, unless regulated by the government. The pricing of goods differs from the pricing of services. Pricing has the same name of the manufacturing sector. It take different name in the services sector. For the example, the price charged for advertising is known as commission for boarding and lodging services, as traffic for legal services and healthcare as fees, and for share or stock services of brokerage and commission. Price is controlled by the different bodies for various services. For example, price for government provided service like the railway are completely controllable by the government. Price for service like banking, power, telephone and insurance are particularly regulated by the government. Price in the hotels, domestic service, auto service, personal care service, etc. vary according to the demand in the market, and prices of advertising service, hospital, expert service like lawyer and stockbrokers are the determine the service provided themselves. So next including point service pricing including point is approaches to pricing service. What is meant by approaches to pricing service? We discuss below this difference in the contents of the three pricing structure typical use of the set price. So first one, cost based pricing. What is meant by cost based pricing? In cost based pricing, a company determines expenses for raw material and labor adds amount or percentage for overhead and profit, and hereby arrives the pricing. This method is widely used by the industry such as utilize contracting, wholesaling and advertising is the basic formula for cost based pricing is means price is equal to direct cost plus overhead cost plus profit margin. Direct cost involve materials and labor that are associated with delivering the services. Overhead costs are the share of fixed cost, and the profit margin is the percentage of full cost, direct and overhead. That is a cost based pricing. So, including supported mentioned points, first one, special challenges in cost based pricing for services. One of the major difficulties in the cost based pricing involves the defining the unit which service is the purchases. Thus, the price per unit, well understood concept in the pricing or the manufactured goods, is a venue entire For this season, many services are short term input unit rather than the unit of the major output. For example, most professional services such as counseling, engineering, architect, psychological, and traveling sold by the hour. Okay. So, what is unique about the service when using cost-based approaches to the pricing? First, costs are difficult to track of the calculate in the service business, particularly where multiple services are provided by the firm. Consider how difficult it must be for a bank allocate teller time the actually across the checking like saving and money market account in order to decide what the charge for the business and services. Second, a major component of the cost employee time rather than the material, and the value of people time, particularly non-professional time, is not easy to calculate or estimate. That is most important, including the service pricing. So second is example of cost-based pricing strategy used in services. Means cost cost plus pricing is the commonly used approaches each which component cost are the calculate and a markup added. In product pricing as these approaches is quick simple. In service industry, however, it is the completed because the tracking and identification of cost difficult in the approaches is typically used by the industry in which cost must be estimated of advantages. Advanced such as the engineering and advertising is construction or engineering, but client of the basic of the description service design using their knowledge of the cost of the components of the service including the raw material such as labor including both professional and unskilled and margin the company estimate and represent to the client a price for the finish and services. Fee for services is the pricing strategy used by the professional and of the cost in the time in value providing the services. Consultants, psychologicals, accounts and lawyers among other professionals. Charges for their services on a hourly basis of the particularly psychological and social workers have set hourly rate the charge to their client and most structure their time in increments and an hour. That is cost based pricing strategy used by the service. So next one, competition based pricing. What is meant by competition based pricing? To competition based pricing approaches focus on the price charged by the other firm in the same industry or market. Competition based pricing does not allow charge with the identical rate others charge but rather using others price and from the price. This approach is used in the two situations. First one, when service are standard cross provided such as in the dry cleaning industry, and second one, with the few large service provided such as in the airline on rental car industry. Difficulties involved in the provisional services sometimes make competition based pricing less simple than in goods industry. So, first one is special challenges in competition based service for pricing for services. Means small firm may charge too little and not make margin high huge the remaining in the business. Many mom and pop services establishment, dry cleaning, retail and tax accounting among the other cannot delivery service at the low prices charges by the chain operation. Further, the of service across and within the provided make it approaches completed. Bank service, the wide in the service prices, customer buying the checking account, money orders or foreign currency. To name a few services, find that prices are largely similarly across provided. Bank claim that they sit high huge over the cost of this service. The wide display in the price properly reflect the bank difficulty in determining price as well as their belief the financial customer do not the shop around or the differences among the offering of the business provided. A banking expert make the point that is not like buying quilt milk. Price are standardization only in standard service such as dry cleaning are the price likely recommended by the compare. That is special challenges in competition based price for service. So next one, example of competition based pricing in service industry means price in market with the high concern of the seller. In this type of market, any price offered by one company will be matched by competitors to avoid giving low cost seller and distance advantages. That is the airline industry price signing service. When any competitor drop the price of rates, others match lower the price almost immediately. Going rate pricing involves charge the most relevant price in the market. Rental car pricing is a instruction of his technique means and also the price because its rental car market is dominated by the small number of large companies. For years the price set by the company have been followed by the other companies. When dealt industry a new pricing plant of the involved no mileage charges. Ever other rental car companies the policy. So next point is demand based pricing. What is meant by demand based pricing? Demand based pricing means the two approaches to pricing just distract are the based on the company and competitors rather than on the customer. Neither approaches takes into consideration customer may lack reference price, many be sensitive to non-monetary pricing and many judge quality for the base of the price. All these factors can be accounted for in company pricing decision. The third major approaches to pricing, demand-based pricing, involve setting price considered with the customer presentation and perception of value. Price are based on the customer will be paid service provided. So, including point demand-based pricing, including point is special challenges in demand-based pricing for service. What is meant by special challenges in demand-based price service? One of the major ways that pricing of service differs from the pricing goods of the demand based pricing on the non-monetary cost and benefit must be factored into the calculation for perceived value of the customer. When the service requires time, initiation, psychological and search cost, the monetary price must be adjusted in the company and any service have see time. That is the related from the customer willing the higher monetary price. The challenges to the determine value customer of each other's non-monetary aspect involved. So related including point of first one value is law price. What is meant by value is law price? That is the most important point including to demand based pricing. Value is law price means some consumer equate value with law price indicating the what that have to give up terms of money, most silent in their percentage of the value as type in the service representative comment from the customer. For example, for dry cleaning, value means the lowest price. For carpet steam cleaning, value is the price which one is one said. For a fast food restaurant, when I can use coupons, I feel that the service is a value. For airline travels, value is when airline tickets are the discount. So next one, value is whatever I want in product or service. So including rather than the focusing on the money give up. Some consumer the benefit they receive from the services or product as the most important component of the value. In this value definition, price is the far less important than the quality or features that match what with the consumer want in the telecommunication industry. For example, business customer strongly value in the telecommunication the reliability, the goal system are the willing to the pay for the safety and consider of the connection. Services customer describe the in definition of value follows like for an MBA degree means value is the very best education I can get. Then for medical services means value is highly quality. Then for a social club means value is what make me be look good my friend and family. Then for a rock or country music concert value is the best performance. So next one, value is the quality I get for the price I pay means other consumers see value as a trade off between the money they give up and the quality they services. Like for a hotel for vacation means value is price first and quality second. Then for a hotel for business traveling, value is the lowest price for a quality brand. Then for a computer services contract means value is the same as quality, non-value is offer quality. So next point, value is what I get for what I give. Finally, some consumer consider all the benefit they receive will as all sacrifice component money time effort when they describe the value like for a housekeeping service and for a hairstylist and for executive education. Thank you so much.